Here's how I slice and freeze cake with the hot knife trick so I never waste it.
Just take your knife and just twirl it around in your hot water and then wipe off the excess onto like a paper towel. The simplest thing you can do is to take the cake out, say an hour or two before you're ready to cut it. This can apply to any kind of other baked good like brownies, pies, things like that. They all can be frozen and then cut. Start from the middle and then press the knife down, straight down, until you get a nice clean cut. And then when you get to that next piece, you can do the same thing. Just take your knife, put it in that hot water. I ran a bakery for many years, and this was the trick that I used for all of my products. I worked with a chef, and he said to me that your freezer is your arsenal, and you should use your freezer kind of like your backup. So when I was baking, a lot of times I would freeze things ahead of time and set them aside because I was the only baker. So then you'll just turn the cake again and cut another piece. You're gonna get such clean cuts this way, you won't even believe it. And the great thing is that you can do it ahead of time if you want to cut it and then freeze it, wrap it, especially if you want to portion control your desserts.
The biggest reason I love this hot slice knife trick is because I can have my dessert whenever I want it. And it's a lot cheaper than going to the store for a single slice of cake.
This cake has been in my refrigerator for probably 2 weeks. So I'm finally getting around to cutting it, and if you can relate to that, this will work really well for you.
Just take your plastic wrap and fold it over your cake
for later. And then what you can do is you can take your cake slices and freeze them. It's a lot easier to move your cake around when it's partially frozen. Then just put it in the freezer again, and then once it's frozen, you can just put it in like a Ziploc bag. Leave it to come to room temperature before you eat it because cake tastes the best at room temperature and all the flavors will have come back. It won't taste like it's been frozen.
If you loved this hot knife trick, you might like my sourdough discard funfetti cake recipe as well, so click the link above.